new forms of public goods funding. So what is retroactive public goods funding, right? So basically the idea here is is this concept that instead of funding projects or having some kind of centralized mechanism that funds projects based on what it thinks is going to be promising, we have an ecosystem that funds projects that were already successful. And then you basically create the equivalent of a prediction market where people can fund those projects in advance based on a prediction that once some project succeeds, it will get the retroactive grant. So the idea would be that we set up a DAO in the blog post from yesterday, it was called the Results Oracle. And the DAO just judges what projects were valuable according to a community's goals, and it judges after the fact, right? So you might say, we can judge right now that EIP 1559 is valuable, or maybe we want to judge that a month from now. We can judge that layer 2 protocols were valuable. We can judge that Uniswap was valuable, and we can make these kind of retrospective judgments. And then there's this concept of projects tokens, where if you have a project, then you can launch a projects token, and you can use this projects token to basically either get funding for the project ahead of time, or you can just allocate that project's token to people who have made contributions to that project. And that encourages upfront contribution, and then if that token trades on the market, then whoever buys up that token or whoever does work to get that token will be rewarded in the future if their prediction about this project being important turns out to be correct.